Come. The subject is hydraulic machine, and today we will discuss about the prominent things that the machines, turbines and pump. Already the previous classes discussed about the turbine, which convert the hydraulic energy to the mechanical energy, that is the turbine. Now today we will discuss about the pump. Pump, it convert the mechanical energy to hydraulic energy, or in case of the pump, that is reverse to the turbine. In case of the output turbine, in case of the output turbine is the water power, whereas output is the short power. Here the pump we can get the water power in the output. Pumps are two types. Today we discuss about the centrifugal pump. Another pump is the reciprocating pump. We discuss it later. The centrifugal pump, directly to the centrifugal pump. From the name, we can get the cause of the centrifugal pump, that is the centrifugal force. The pump which works by centrifugal force, that is the centrifugal force. Centrifugal force means come from the center to the outer, center to outer, that is centrifugal force. The force from the center to outer. Centrifugal force. The reverse, that is a simple. This is the imaginary force. We cannot make it practically possible, or we can give the example only. But centrifugal force, it is outer to inner, that is the centrifugal. But today we discuss about the construction about the centrifugal pump, or the component of centrifugal pump. First, the heart of the centrifugal pump, that is the impeller. First one, that is the impeller. What is the impeller? Which produces the energy to circulate the water. In case of the impeller, the middle one is known as the eye. This is the sharp one, from which we can get the mechanical power, and in the circulation of these, the series of curved backward valves. These are the valves. This one is known as the impeller. What is it? This one is impeller. Now, second thing, that is the casing. Second is casing. Casing are three types: volute casing, vortex casing, and casing with the guide belt. What is casing? Casing three types: volute, vortex, and casing with guide belt or guide belt. First thing is the volute casing. Look at here, this impeller is inside the casing. Impeller inside the casing. That is the volute casing. The area of the casing is increasing because this is increasing to increase the pressure. This is volute casing. What's about the second one, vortex casing? This is volute one, volute casing. In vortex casing, one circular disc in between the casing and the impeller. In case of the vortex, that is one circular disc Here is a circular disc. This one is the vortex casing. Vortex casing. In case of this, what will happen? The water striking by the head is entered to the circular disc to decrease the losses. So, in case of here, we can get the more efficiency. Now, third one is generally used casing with the guide rail. This is impeller. This is the impeller. This is the guide hand, and this is the casing. After two, the third one is the suction. The third one is the suction valve, suction side with foot valve and strainer. With foot valve and strainer. Suction side means it sucks the water from the reservoir. Here the suction side, and these cases we can get the suction side from the center to this is the reservoir, water reservoir is here. This is the suction side. This one is the strainer. What is the working of strainer? Strainer it draw the pure water. strainer एटी कौन हुए छाणी की पांडा को छाड़ कौन करे जोटा कुआ जाए तो बरोडिया रिपोर्ट जाली बा छणा दे किसी अनप्योर पार्टिकल्स अनवांटेड जिंस जेमती सेटिकल कम भीतर को जाई परिबो दिस इज द strainer inside the strainer the foot valve is there here also you will get the foot valve not football foot valve. It is one way valve. Water can enter at this side, but should not out from this. It reverse. It is restricted. This is foot valve, and this one is known as a suction pipe. Suction pipe. The center point of this impeller. This is also known as eye. The center point of the impeller. And the surface of the water, this height is very important. It is known as the suction head. Okay, from the center point of the impeller to the surface of the water level, that is suction head. Similarly, and the fourth one, that is delivery side. Delivery side from this sector up to the last portion where the water is to be delivered, that is delivery side, and the height of this is known as the delivery head. In case of some centrifugal force, one delivery valve also here, DV delivery valve can be connected. This is the working head, total head. In case of a calculation, it is very important. Now another thing, in case of the centrifugal form, that is it goes to the reaction turbine. So it needs the impeller can deep inside the water always to convert the pressure energy to the kinetic energy. So to deep in the water, before starting the centrifugal form, what process is done? It is known as the priming. For priming, here is the priming screw is here or priming valve is there. Before starting the centrifugal pump, we pour the water to fill this casing with the water to make it more pressure energy, from which we can convert it to kinetic energy and to transfer it. This is all about the centrifugal pump. This much.